installs camera, sees why his horse is always tired.
Easy.
James Carter had owned horses his whole life. His prized stallion, Thunder, was the strongest and fastest on his ranch in Texas. But lately, something was off. Every morning, James found Thunder exhausted, covered in sweat, and barely able to stand. The strange part was that he hadn't been ridden in days. Thunder showed no signs of illness, and the vet confirmed he was in perfect health. Yet each morning, he looked like he had just finished running a marathon. Concerned and confused, James decided to install a surveillance camera in the barn to see what was going on at night. That night, James set up the camera and went to bed, eager to check the footage in the morning. When he woke up, he rushed to his laptop and played back the recording. What he saw left him speechless. As soon as the ranch lights went off and silence fell over the land, the barn doors creaked open. From the darkness, a figure emerged. A teenage boy, no older than 16, wearing an old cowboy hat. He approached Thunder, whispering softly to him as he gently placed a saddle on the horse's back. Then the boy did something shocking. He climbed onto Thunder and rode him straight out of the barn. James watched, stunned, as the boy guided the horse into the open fields, galloping under the moonlight like a ghostly rider. For nearly 2 hours, the mysterious rider pushed Thunder to his limits, racing across hills, jumping fences, and circling back just before dawn. Then, as quietly as he came, he returned Thunder to the barn, removed the saddle, patted his neck, and disappeared into the night. James couldn't believe his eyes. Who was this boy, and why was he sneaking into his barn every night? The next night, James decided to catch the intruder himself. Armed with a flashlight and his rifle just in case, he waited outside the barn. Right on time, the barn doors creaked open, and the boy slipped inside. James flipped on the lights. "Hold it right there," he shouted. The boy froze, his eyes wide with fear. He looked scruffy, wearing torn clothes and dusty boots. His face was thin, and he looked like he hadn't eaten properly in days. "Who are you, and why are you riding my horse?" James demanded. The boy lowered his head. "I'm Tommy, sir. I didn't mean no harm. I love horses. I used to have one, but my family lost everything. Thunder reminds me of him. I only rode him at night because I didn't think you'd ever let me." James stared at the boy, his anger fading into something else, understanding. Tommy wasn't a thief. He was just a kid with nowhere to go, longing for something he had lost. After a long silence, James sighed. "You love horses, huh?" Tommy nodded. "Then how about you work for me? Take care of Thunder properly. Ride him during the day, like a real rancher." Tommy's eyes lit up. "You mean it?" James nodded. "But no more sneaking around at night? Deal." "Deal." Tommy grinned. From that night on, Thunder wasn't exhausted anymore, because now he had a new friend and caretaker who rode him the right way in the daylight under the Texas sun.